Ssenyonyi, you're saying other people have stolen money and so on, but even you, there are questions about you, you were given a bribe, which is total falsehoods. And that's why I have challenged them. Because these who are speaking these things, they are being used by particular leaders whom we are targeting in the fight against corruption. So I've challenged them and said, if you're saying you have evidence of audios and so on, why don't you release them? Why don't you take me to court so that we fight corruption together, since we are all now involved in the fight against corruption? But they will not, they'll just keep using it for propaganda value, false as it is, to try and derail me, to try and cut down my speed, but they'll not succeed. I'll keep speaking out against corruption. I'll keep fighting against this corruption that is in Parliament. You see, whenever I say that the Honorable Mpuga and the other commissioners were involved in corruption, the evidence is there, and they have accepted to take this money. They are not in denial. When I say that the Speaker is involved in corruption, the evidence is there. And the Speaker has even made it easy. She has admitted. She was in Luengo, and she said it is okay to steal as long as you share with your voters. That's an admission of corruption. So when I speak out against these ills, the Speaker and all those other people now, they are working through certain elements to mudsling me. They will not succeed. I'm not going to keep quiet. Even the commission where I am by right supposed to sit, because the commission is the scene of crime itself. That's why the Speaker makes sure I don't attend the meetings, because I will disagree with many of the things they're trying to do there. So they meet quietly, share money, and all these other ills that they are doing. And they think I'll keep quiet. I'll not keep quiet. There is no manner of propaganda that's going to work against me. It will not succeed. And I'm glad that the people of Uganda are also rising up. We have learned that they are planning a march to Parliament regarding corruption. That's a very good thing. It shouldn't just be about the leaders. So do march peacefully. Hold your placards. And you see, like the other day, the Speaker welcomed people who were apparently protesting against Honorable Ssenyonyi, who now, so there's blackmail against him because he's pushing the censure motion. So there are some protesters that came with placards saying, this is our MP, we don't see him, he's doing all these bad things and so on. The Speaker welcomed them into Parliament. Our hope is that these other peaceful protesters will be welcomed and ushered into Parliament and listened to, because they are peaceful. And I want to encourage them, please be peaceful. The only thing you should hold is placards, nothing more. Be as peaceful as you possibly can. Don't give these people any excuse and then demand for accountability, because there's a lot of corruption that happens in that Parliament, yeah, right from the top office in that Parliament. And the people of Uganda are saying, no, we want answers to these issues.
I want to thank God that as the NGP we have made 4 years since we unveiled the party to the country. Incredible milestones that we have been able to hit. Of course, there's been challenges. Some of our people have been killed, others in jail, brutality, and so many other quandaries that we have grappled with. But we thank God that we are still strong. We have been able to inoculate into Ugandans the idea that power belongs to them. That's very important. And that's why they are rising up. They are saying this is no longer a matter of the leaders. Power belongs to the people. That's incredible, a fact that Ugandans have grasped. And also the fact that we are still present, alive and kicking, because many said that's a moving wind. It's going to cease. They won't have any future. Here we are, growing stronger by the day. We still look forward to celebrating in a very formidable way our anniversary. We did ask for Kololo, and we are waiting, because we told them if 22nd is not available for whatever reason, it's okay. Let us know any other date. The other weekend, there were some activities happening at Kololo, some celebrations. In the coming days, we are told other groups have certain engagements. Even NUP, we have the right to be at Kololo, so we are waiting. We have not given up on that idea until they tell us, we have finished whatever excuse they have put in place. We shall be patient and wait until we get to celebrate.